Hey guys, what's up? Today we're going to talk about email marketing, which is a core marketing tool in anyone's marketing strategy. Among all other marketing channels, email marketing stands out as the most effective and profitable method with an outstanding return on investment of $35 to $45 for every single dollar you spend. So whatever the marketing channels you follow, email marketing should be at the top of your priority list. Email marketing is not just sending promotional mailings in mass quantities. By today, it has stepped further and focused on consent, segmentation, and personalization of the receiver to be less spammy and more effective in order to gain stable and proactive engagements from the audience. On the other hand, when someone signs up to your subscription, it's just like inviting or giving permission for you to their inbox, and therefore you need to behave very politely and respectfully and should not cause them feel disturbed but impressive and helpful. And most importantly, when you go with this email marketing, you don't have to worry about the algorithmic changes like in an SEO campaign, as you are stable against any kind of such changes in the algorithm. And not like in social media, anyone with an electronic device has an email and you can meet all of your audience there at the same platform rather than performing in several platforms to cover the total number of your audience. So you can use this platform for brand awareness, updates, community building, as well as driving sales to your brand. Along with the huge potential this has, it also appears to be a bit complex and needs much more discipline in choosing the relevant tools, techniques, and technologies. To yield the maximum results while avoiding embarrassing mishaps out of this strategy, you want to select a proper list of prospective and active email users and an experienced, talented firm to handle your email marketing strategy. And at that point, TaizerMinds marketing and sales strategies would be an ideal option because of the massive experience we possess with numerous global clients for more than a decade. So we think you guys got some valuable content through this video. Thanks for watching and goodbye for now. We are TaizerMinds.